The Galaxy Buds Plus are expected to be unveiled on February 11th alongside 4 new smartphones: the Galaxy S20, Galaxy S20 Plus, Galaxy S20 Ultra, and the Galaxy Z Flip. However, images of the earphones along with their detailed specifications have been leaked already. Now, a complete hands-on video of Samsung's upcoming truly wireless earphones has appeared on the internet. Reputable leakster Roland Quandt was able to get his hands on the Galaxy Buds Plus via a European retailer, but as unbelievable as it sounds, similar things have happened in the past. He has uploaded a complete unboxing video of the unreleased wireless earbuds along with his initial impressions. As you might expect, the specs list that was leaked a few days ago turned out to be extremely accurate. The blue variant of the Galaxy Buds Plus, SM-R175N, is shown from all the angles in the 11-minute video. The earbuds might not look very different from their predecessors, but they offer a great all-round upgrade for just $20 over the pricing of last year's Galaxy Buds, read our review. The newer earbuds feature AKG-tuned dual drivers, tweeter and woofer for improved audio quality, 3 microphones on each side for better call quality, and double the battery life.